Welcome to this third demonstration of the MS Gartner app. This demonstration we will focus on the changes that we made. The app has been polished up in terms of UI, navigation, flow, etc. The entire navigation has been implemented. We have made some changes to the navigation when selecting a restaurant or selecting a travel point. And we have incorporated theming in the entire app, which means that every user, regardless of what theme they're using, will be able to have a look and feel as if it was any other native app. Let's get started. We'll go to the app. It has been pre-installed on this simulator. And some of the features in the program, we have seen that before. I'm not going into details with that. As you now see that when we press the people button or the hub tile, the live hub tile, we will go to people. And when we enter this, it's actually the same navigation bar. It's called a pivot. And it's very familiar in the Windows Phone environment. And this actually means that you have all the information available here. You can just pan it in each direction and you will access the information in this way. This is one of the approaches you can have in terms of navigating, but you can also click directly on the live hub tile here. If you want information on the restaurant, you click here and you go directly to the restaurant site. The restaurant site has been modified a bit. We have removed the maps from the detail page as you see it here. We have now all the restaurants listed in a list. I only have 3 now, and then whenever you click a map or one of the restaurants, you will be navigating to the map where you have the restaurant located. One of the main reason for doing that is that we wanted the live Bing map navigation, so you can zoom in and possibly in the future show your own location according to the restaurant here. One of the other features that I mentioned was that we polished up the navigation and the UI look and feel, the transition from page to page. You'll now notice that whenever you click a hub tile, we have a smooth transition between pages, much like any other native Windows Phone app. I just showed you the restaurants. The travel page has incorporated the same map functionality. We have each of the travel points listed in a list, and whenever you click one of them, well, you will be headed to the map with the exact location marked as a bus icon. And of course, with this one, you can zoom in, zoom out, and pan, etc. I cannot zoom in and zoom out with this the simulator here, but it works like any other Bing map would do. Well, the last thing I want to show you is the incorporated theming that we have. Notice that the theme is now dark. The icons or the hub tiles are blue, which is what I actually have in my application. Let's see, we go here. I'll change that in my settings. Okay, first of all, I want to change it to a light background, and I want orange colors. So now when I go into my app, the tiles are now orange, and you may just notice that the background is now white instead of dark. So it's independent whatever color schemes or backgrounds the user uses. Our application will of course follow that much like the best practices of Windows Phone development regarding Microsoft in regards to Microsoft. Well, that's it. Thank you for watching, and feel free to shoot if you have any questions.